Hello, this video is part 2 for how to add a step in a flowchart. In previous video, we have seen how to add a process, edit process or delete any process. Now we will see how to add steps in any process. So first take example, we have to select any process ID. Now as we see, there's a no step added against this process ID. So we'll create from step 0. Okay, now to add a step, you have to first click on this add a step. This will be enabled, this button is enabled only when you select any process here. So we'll select one process. Now we get pop up that we don't have any step against this process or flowchart. Now click here to add steps. So since this process don't have any step, so this is your going to be your 0th step. This is by default selected. You cannot edit the step number. Now you have to simply add the descriptions. Now zeroth step is by default do type, so you have to enter the next number. Step owner. Yes, step owner is this is a free text just for notation. You can add any step number over here. This is not for assigning a step. For this, we will have another form. Now the stat hours is in this stat is in hours. This is for each step. Here you have to paste any valid link. If you are trying to insert any invalid link, then it will throw an error. So let's paste an valid link. You can add multiple videos over here. To add this, you have to click on this add button. Right now nothing is added. So if you want to create insert step, you cannot insert because this video is still not inserted. So insert this, you have to click add. Now this is one video that you have added. You can add multiple videos here. Similarly, this is input form. This is actually to design how will be your closure form for this step. So you can here enter label name that is going to be visible in your closure form. Now you have to decide which is this input will be of type. Suppose this is for text, number or URL. You can select text. This is checkbox. If you want this input field to be required, then you can check this box. Otherwise this will be optional. Now you have added one input field. Now since you everything has been added, so now you can insert a step. Yeah, if any case you have entered any wrong data over videos or in input, so you can simply delete from here. So now as you see, this you cannot insert because you need to add at least one video link over here. So now at because since we have write in only boxes, now we need to add this. So now you can see this, we can proceed for to insert this step. Yes, as you get a message that a process steps inserted successfully, and you can see now this step has 0th step is over here. Earlier you can see there was no step found for this process ID, and yes, since this is 0 step, so you cannot delete this step. Now what if we have to add further step, then you have to follow the same process. You can click on add steps and you can add for next step number. Now this is type of box you want to select. That is, if your this step is a decision box, then now you have to enter two next step numbers. That is next step number for if your this decision is yes, and no case step number if your decision is no or this decision box case is false. So now there is a validation that your next step number can't be your next step number. So now you have to change this. Now again there is error that your next step number for yes case and next step number for no case can't be same. So you have to enter any next step number. So now by this you can now rest of the things are same. Now you can, and if you fill all this field, then you can insert another step or error. Now let me fill for you. Now I have added two videos here. Now we have now for this I have added two input fields over there. Now if two input fields and two videos for this, now we'll add step 1. As you can see, two steps has been inserted successfully. Now if you want to delete any step, you can simply click here to delete. In next video we will see how to delete steps or edit steps. Thank you.